Not to throw shade on the delicious kiwi fruit, but it seems like kind of a boring thing to try to draw or paint. Ignoring that sentiment, I tried it anyway, because if it comes out perfect, then you always have that. So I was trying not to draw too many lines, trying to establish the edges with shades, and then, it's drawing with shades, not lines. It was coming out okay, and I was kind of surprised at this point here where there was like the tooth of the paper, which is this bristle, was not taking any lead like in this one area, and I don't know what the heck's up with that, but anyway, I don't really want to use a blending stump, but I guess that would have been the easy solution to the coverage in that area. Well, but it's looking alright, not too bad, and art fun, draw the kiwi, even though it might be boring.